What's up, my YouTube friends? It's Johnny B out here, Gulfport, Mississippi. I just wanted to show y'all what the low tide looks like. I mean, look, all that during high tide, all the way up, I don't know if you can see it, way up there is where the water usually goes. But right now it's extremely low tide. I mean, I'm almost to the minute of low tide. Low tide is at 8:15 tonight, and it's like 10 after 8 right now. Getting ready to go to work and stuff. But I mean, look how crazy it looks. All of this is usually water, but it's at low tide right now. Look how clear the water looks. It's crazy looking clear. If it only stayed that clear. I mean, it looks clear, but it's not really clear at all. It's like a muddy, it's got a good muddy tint to it. How y'all been doing? You doing alright? You had a good Father's Day? Good, glad to hear it. That looks like an awesome sunset over there. Man, it's real windy now. I did a video earlier today. I was trying to get the flag to fly, but it wouldn't fly. So, man, I was trying to see what show the flag before it gets taken down by the city. You can't have it because, you know, the Confederate flag. What was that? That was like a little bitty crab. So they're getting ready to take the flag down, I'm sure, in Long Beach. This is crazy looking because look, here is the water, where the water starts really. And all this is usually underwater. Right now it's out, way out there somewhere, halfway to Cuba. You can see where the birds shat recently. Trying to kill two birds with one stone right now. Trying to get a little video made and show y'all this low tide event, and I'm trying to get some exercise at the same time. About 1 inch of water here. The water went up over the little sandbar here and it's pooled over there. It's going to stay there until high tide, I'm sure. All this is like a big pool. It's going to stay here until high tide. There's no way for it to go back out, really, because it's kind of stuck. Oh, it's a little fishy. Oh, it's a crab. Ha! He went under the mud. He dug himself a hole fast. He saw a predator coming, namely me, and he dug himself a hole fast and he disappeared. Y'all see that? I don't know if the camera captured it cool enough. I thought it was a fish at first, but then it was apparent that it was a crab. I mean, I'm way far out. This is usually like a foot or two of water, I think. At least a foot of water. I mean, I'm way out here, and I'm on sandbar. I mean, I'm like over a quarter mile from the You know, it's crazy. That's what low tide will do. I think high tide's tomorrow at 10 something in the morning. So I should come out, I should post something here, like a stick or something in the ground to see how much water they get here at this spot. I mean, all this will be way over underwater. By 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, it'll be high tide. It's a nice little pool there, actually. If it was about 3 feet deeper, it'd be awesome. Off in the distance, you can see the Gulfport Harbor, port of Gulfport. The port of Gulfport. How's that sound? And this is where the beach starts. It's not sandy at all, though. It's like the sand is really wet because I guess like in the last hour or so it went out. The water went out pretty quickly. Sorry about that noise, but that's my shoes. My little plastic water shoes. I wonder how many fishies got caught over here. If I can see any. Crabs. Saw something, I don't know what it was. Alright, while y'all not doing anything, just go ahead and smash that like button for me. Smash it up pretty good. Oh, hit it harder than that. Smash it. Oh, is this catfish? There's a little catfish the birds hadn't got yet. And that's a feast for the easy pickings for the birds. That's like 3 or 4 birds can eat that. Raw fish, some sushi. Beautiful sunset. I gotta get to work. 9 o'clock start tonight. Got my uniform at work. Gotta put my socks and shoes on. You can see the drainage, the drainage pipe over here. That's usually underwater. So there's a good, foot of water out here. The water usually goes right up here at least. Now you know why it takes so long, why you have to walk so far out before it gets deep. You have to walk a good half a mile out before it gets to 3 or 4 feet of water. This is right where it usually comes up to. can see all this is straw, whatever you want to call it, from Tropical Storm Cristobal. They had to clean this up still. Usually make some big old huge piles. Alright guys, remember if you like my videos, click the thumbs up. If you don't like my videos, you can go ahead and click the thumbs down. And I'll see y'all next time from Gulfport, Mississippi. It's Johnny V out.